Hey guys, Hailey here from Veterinary Practice Solutions. And welcome to our animated Whiteboard Wednesday. Today's episode is Solving Staff Conflict. If staff in your practice are fighting, it can greatly impact production. When staff get rowdy, it can be easy to assume they are just being unprofessional. And in an ideal world, your staff would not bring personal issues into the office. But it does still happen, so you need technology to handle it. The truth is, the main cause of an upset is usually a lack of communication. When one person does not coordinate with another on functions, this can create confusion and thus upset. When you see that two or more of your staff are fighting, before yelling at them yourself, have them both communicate about what is causing the upset. This simple act of communicating may uncover a misunderstanding which caused the upset in the first place. It's important you stick to facts when handling your staff. Don't let their emotions alter what really happened, or they won't be able to resolve it. You'll find at the root of the upset is usually some unknown policy that is leading to a confusion. When you have an agreed upon procedure, you lessen upset, as your staff are all working in the same direction. When you don't, staff run into each other and start to create conflict that can easily be prevented. So if you see that one or both of them were acting against company procedure, correct them on this and give them the right information. When you do all of this, it will create an understanding of what caused the upset and lessen the conflict. If you use these tools and the conflict still persists, it's possible you have a toxic staff member in your practice. Toxic staff will create problems by spreading rumors and intentionally creating upset. The statements they make are false or misleading in order to cause a stir. So you have to see when talking to staff in an upset if there was anyone who was spreading rumors to them or inciting the conflict. If they both give the same person, you should then do your own investigation into them. If you find evidence of them being a harm to the practice or a toxic staff member, then it's best to remove them from your practice. I promise that whatever production they did is not worth the destruction they cause. But make sure the person is really the source of the problem and that you've done a thorough investigation before letting them go. Truthfully, you'll find most of your issues are caused by lack of efficiency, communication, and policy. And you'll really only have to find a toxic staff member if after you handle that, it still doesn't resolve. But just realize that if your staff are upset, there is something you can do about it. If you're interested in more practice tips, attend one of our free webinars. To register, visit www.veterinarypracticesolutions.com/webinars or click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.